That's so cool. This is Rosie the horse, the new horse that Nora bought. Hi, Rosie the horse. Rosie the dog. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie. We got two Rosies. Hi, pretty baby. Hi, honey. Hi, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Come here. I want to pet you. Hi, sweetie. You're so pretty. Come here, Rosie. Hi, baby. Oh, gotta watch where I'm walking. Rosie. Hi. You're so pretty. Yes, you are.
Nora's she's a little skinny, but...
Yeah? Yeah, I guess so, because you can see the ribs.
But, she's already gained some weight since she's been here.
Oh, look at, he's got a Suzy Q in there now, so.
Yeah, he's happy.
Yeah.